So who's an example of care and good decisions for other people to follow? Everybody?
Me.
Because if I don't care, everybody?
No one else will.
Other people decide to care and follow me, we say,
Great.
If they don't, we're going to say,
Oh well.
If we get the look and we get rejection, that look or rejection just
Bounces off.
It bounces off you, right? And then how do we put it into action? The Disney 15-5 rule, the Disney 5-meter, 3-meter rule. Let's make a commitment to being approachable by approaching others, right? Who's going to say hi first?
Me.
Who's going to initiate conversations with other people?
Me.
And use two-way communication to promote our upcoming events and activities?
Me.
And if we get rejected in these moments, those rejections just
Bounce off.
me, right? Because a no in September can be a yes by January. A no in grade 10 could be they're on my committee in grade 12. Correct? And some of you yourselves are examples of that. And you can be that example for others, right? I've had such a wonderful day. As somebody that only slept from about 2:45 till 7 today, I've had a lot of energy because I got energy from you, because I got late from last night from Alberta. And just people are different. Some people are introverts, don't get energy from people, but extroverts like me and some of you do. And I could not have asked for a better group of people. The encouragement you gave me, the food was wonderful, polite listening, great energy, so much fun. This is what I do for a living. If you think your high school, your elementary school needs a speaker for a retreat, an assembly, this is what I do. I would love to help out again, and it'd be great to be back and say hi to Bridget McCullough at your school. Yeah, her dad went to high school. All right, so get ready with your hands. 5, 5, 3, 3, ha, clap, clap, ha, 3, 3, 5, 5. Woo! That's how I will end, and then they have a few final words for you. Get ready with your hands, and dexterity check. Check dexterity. This is how I guarantee a standing ovation. Thanks very much, everyone. Have a seat. I'm going to give you a good one.